everyone, and welcome back to So Aldo DIY. Today I am going to showcase all the clothes that I made in 2022. Actually, I should rephrase that. This is not all of them. I didn't include the clothes that I gave away and sold, and I also didn't include the clothes that I alter. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started because I have quite a few clothes here. Not in particular order, just because I have so many. I kind of forgot when I made them, but the most recent that I made is this blue dress. So I made this last year around Christmas time. This one is the bell dress. So this is a costume for my girls. So self-explanatory. Beauty and the Beast bell costume. Also another self-explanatory. And probably one of my popular sewing video here on my channel is this Cinderella dress. My oldest daughter wore this for Halloween last year. This was actually my very first gown that I ever made, and it turned out so nicely. Strapless red dress that I made last year, I think around Valentine's Day, if I'm correct, around Valentine's Day. And this was made out of a tablecloth that I found at the thrift store, and the color is perfect. Plan on adding sleeves, like off the shoulder sleeves, to make it more updated. These are super fancy. I haven't worn them outside because really, honestly, I don't have anywhere else to go, but this was actually a very pretty dress as well. It's a perfect summer dress or like a fancy, you know, tea party, I don't know. Yeah, this one is really nice. I also updated this. When I originally made this, it was a tube top dress, but then I couldn't wear it, so I decided to add sleeves, and it turned out so perfect. It just made it super cute and just lovely. And yeah, I also got this fabric from the thrift store for like $4, and I still have a few more yards left that I can use for a different type of dress. So that's that. And this one is like a wedding dress. Let me get closer to the camera so you can actually see the print. So that's how pretty the print is. And yeah, it can really be a wedding dress. I mean, if I'm gonna get married, I will wear this. But I'm already married, and it's super sweet, and it's just like, I can't stop talking about this dress. I better put it back. During a lot of my clothes, I self-drafted the pattern using just the basic bodice blocks, and I just, you know, kind of updated, like changed sleeves and the neckline and all that. So the next dress is this one. Dress was a vintage fabric that I found at the thrift store. So I made this for my birthday last year. I really love this dress, although I think it's a little too long for me. I made it. I did not want to waste any beautiful fabric, but then when I put it on, I think it was a little too long for my frame. I may have to shorten it by maybe 2 inches, so it will be nice and flattering when I wear it, because yeah, it's just, I think the length of it is just wrong for me, but I can easily fix that. Let's get closer to the camera. The print is perfect, and it has big puff sleeves. I absolutely love it. And all of my dresses are fully lined, just because it makes it more expensive. Okay, so this one is a little wrinkly just because I put it away for the winter time. So yeah, I made this around spring last year, and I wore this once or twice. And yeah, it's actually really nice. The fabric is like soft and airy. It's a perfect summer dress. I did a little bit of alteration to this. Added this elastic at the back. You won't even see it at the back, just to kind of scrunch up the neckline a little bit. For some reason, the neckline was a little too low, and you know, I wasn't comfortable with that. That's why I decided to raise it up by adding elastic right here. So that was a good fix if you have a problem with like a droopy neckline or like big neckline, you can easily add elastic like at the back part of the shoulders or even the whole entire thing. I actually did that in one of my alteration tutorials. I'm going to post that really soon. Okay, I'm too close. So anyway, so that is the dress. It has a sweetheart detail. I love it. It has like little ruffle on the sleeve. It's actually very pretty dress and dainty. I absolutely love it. So let's move on because I have a lot to talk about. And this one is a wrap dress. Pattern for this was just copied from a favorite wrap dress that I bought from the Philippines. The fit was perfect. It was just beautiful dress. So I decided to replicate it by tracing the dress pretty much, and I made this. And you guys, this fabric was a shower curtain that I bought from Burlington Coat Factory. And yeah, it was like $6. This has an A-line bottom and it just tie here because obviously it's a wrap dress. It's just a pretty dress. It's also fully lined. All right, and all of these dresses that I'm showing you, I actually have tutorials except for this one and this one. We'll get to that. The next one is this dress. So this has become my go-to dress when I don't know what to wear, just because it's simple, especially for like fall and winter. I can easily layer this. Pattern for this dress was actually just a trace out from a favorite dress of mine that I have used so many times. I'm going to do a separate videos on the dresses that I made using that method. It has A-line bottom, so it's perfect for winter or windy days here in Nevada. It is very windy where we are at. It's a jersey dress and it doesn't have any zipper whatsoever because it's stretchy. So this was one of my go-to dress when I don't know what to wear. Okay, so I haven't posted a tutorial of this dress yet because I made this like at the end of December, and I'm reserving the tutorial around springtime just because this dress is very springtime dress. It's perfect. Look at the blue, and it has like a square neckline, and this one is also fully lined and it's actually heavy. I can get away with wearing this, you know, right now. I wore this to church last year. This dress doesn't have any zipper whatsoever because this is a stretchy or jersey type of lace, so it's so pretty. So yeah, so I'm going to post a tutorial of this dress around springtime. All right, so be on the lookout for that. This one is fully lined as well. It's just a very well made dress. Okay, so next, notice the different hanger here means these are my children's clothes because they have a different type of hanger. So anyway, this one is a plaid dress with squared neckline, sleeveless, and pleated bottom. And this was for my daughter, and she likes to layer it like with like white top underneath or like brown. Super cute dress, simple, and yeah, she loves it. She always gets compliments whenever she wears this dress. It's a pretty dress. It's like almost like a Bridgerton type of dress. I have a tutorial on how to add the lining. This is fully lined and there is like some sort of, it's so nice on the bottom. So nice lining. So yeah, my daughter decided she wanted a very pretty dress. She worn it never. Oh no, I'm sorry, take that back. She wore this one time when we went to the mall. So yeah. And there is another one here. So this one I made for my youngest daughter, and she designed it. She picked out the color and then the stuff here. So yeah, she really loved the detail on the sleeves. She liked that. She requested that she will get a sleeve detail like this. So I'm very happy about this dress, and it's super pretty. And yeah, she wears this a lot, like when we go to church, on, you know, just the mall. She wears this everywhere. It's pretty. So that's that. And there's also a bow right here. Okay, so we're getting to the end of this line. I also have a mini dress. This was a birthday dress for my youngest daughter. She also picked out the fabric. In my opinion, I didn't really do a good job on this dress because it looks very rushed, because like she wanted the dress like the next day, so I had to rush it. It's okay because she only worn it once. It was actually a, you know, like a clearance fabric, so it's not like it is an expensive fabric. Okay, we are almost to the end. Last year I also experimented on making bathing suits, and this one is for my oldest daughter. It's padded and lined, and on the bottom, underneath, has built-in shorts. So I made this for my oldest daughter, and then I made one for my youngest daughter, but it was a two-piece bathing suit, and I don't know where it's at, and I don't have time to look for them. But this is so cute. Are the skirts. So this one is for my daughter. This is a half circle skirt with an exposed elastic waistline or waistband. One that I'm wearing is a denim skirt. I don't believe I made a tutorial on this one. It's a jersey pencil skirt. I don't know what to wear. I like to use this. Okay. This is a wrap blouse that I need to fix actually. I need to put button on the side so it just doesn't unravel, because I don't feel secure when I wear it just tying it like this. So I'm going to add like buttons here on both sides so it is nice and secure. My husband gave me a bunch of his shirt that he doesn't wear anymore. He gave it to me so I can play with them. So this is what I made. I didn't post a video on this just because I don't know, no one wants to watch long videos anymore. I'm pretty sure no one is gonna watch this, but I filmed it anyway just because I saw a lot of sewing channels doing this type of video. I decided I'm just going to join in, but I'm pretty sure no one's gonna watch this. I'm contemplating of changing my YouTube channel just because my YouTube channel is So Aldo DIY, and then the other day when I was editing, the initial is SAD, sad. That's why I'm like, oh my goodness, maybe that's why my channel is becoming sad and terrible. My original channel name, which is Pretty Crafty Girl. The reason why I changed that channel, by the way, a lot of people were commenting pretty, you know, thinking that I'm calling myself pretty. So I kind of felt bad because I'm not pretty. So that's why I decided to change my channel to, you know, So Aldo, and then I added DIY. But it doesn't mean that I feel pretty whatsoever, okay? So that's not even what it is. Pretty crafty is like, you know, so crafty, you know, like that. It's not saying I am pretty crafty girl, like pretty like face. I'm not pretty, and I know that. That is it, you guys, and thanks so much for watching. I hope this video is somewhat helpful and inspiring, and if you have any questions about the dresses, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. A lot of these clothes that I showed you has video tutorials, so I'm going to try to link them in the description box below so you can just browse, and I might organize them the way I showed it on the video. So that's it, you guys, and thanks so much for watching, and I hope you are inspired, and I hope I didn't bore you to death. Leave me a comment down below if I should change my channel back to Pretty Crafty Girl or just stay with So Aldo DIY, which is SAD, sad acronym, because I'm a happy person and I don't want to refer to sad, you know. So leave me a comment down below because I would love to know. Guys, thanks so much again for watching, and I hope you will come back and see me again. I will see you in the next video. Bye!